Every journey begins with a step, and most often these steps are just little, like baby steps, and you just are not so sure until you make the next steps and the next steps. And this activity cuts across different phases of life, and this includes investment. Most often when we hear of investment, we are so scared because we think that investments involve huge sums of money for you to make huge sums of returns. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to make huge returns with small investment. This manufacturing company is a manufacturing giant in Asia. They have been manufacturing organic based products for over 30 years now, and they are in 138 countries globally, in Africa, in Australia, in USA, UK, and in Asia. Now, in Africa, it's in Ghana, South Africa, Mozambique, Botswana, Burkina Faso, Cote d'Ivoire, Mauritania, and they are still looking for new markets where you can partner with them. So you are paid every week when you use their products. These products are organic based products, they are healthy products. It involves home appliances, baby care products, and daily care products you use every day, like your tissue, like your toothpaste, your makeup, and even the cup that you drink in. So use their product and you are going to benefit health wise and cash wise. My name is Obape Igbeadechi, and I teach you how to use organic based products and get paid every week. So if you're ready, let's go straight to today. There are basically 4 entry levels, and these levels are the silver level, the gold level, the platinum level, and the platinum VIP level. But these levels need an investment of over $100 before you can partner, and that is not the focus today. Today we are looking at we investing small and then making huge returns. Have the level which we call the promotional level, or it's the student package. The promotional package is a list of them all where you can use less than $50 to partner with us and you can make huge returns. So this is how the promotional package works. The company is a manufacturing company. Unlike the other companies where you buy their products and they just say thank you by giving you the product you bought and taking your money, we say thank you by crediting you points in your account. If you bought toothpaste from us, toothpaste is 3 points. We credit you 3 points in your account which you created with us, and we give you back your product. Now these points are accumulated over a period of time, and this is going to be used as a form of incentives. Now these incentives include scholarships, car awards, and travels. Okay, you can travel across the country, just have fun and come back. This promotional package or student package actually gives you 4 points. You earn 4 points for starting from the promotional package. Now aside that, you are given products which is equivalent to the promotional package, and this you can use whatever you want, either for business or just use it for your own luxury. With the promotional package, you can use the platform as a business, because the products that are given to you, you can sell the product and you are going to get quickly your capital gains. If you are given about 8 toothpaste, so you multiply 3 by 8, and the answer is the total point value you earn for starting with the 4 PB from the promotional package. Now you can sell this toothpaste and then make your profit and then invest the profit into the business. So the second is that you earn $20 on each person in your first generation, 12% on each of your second generation, and you can upgrade from the promotional package to the silver package. Now, let me explain what I mean by the first generation, the second generation, and the third generation. You see, every organization grows with people. So you want to use this platform as a business, okay? So what you need to do is that you need to encourage people to use their product. manufactured by the company. And when these people use the product, the company rewards you for you referring somebody to use the company's product. So the first people who join the company through you are your first generation, and the second people who join are definitely your second generation, and the third people are your third generation. So it goes on and on and on and on and on. Now, the maximum people you need if you are to speak to people to become members of this company, partner, and then make a huge income, if they think like you need only 3 people on the continent. One person from your family, one person from your friends, one person from your church. You can keep on referring people to it, and the more people you refer, you are getting paid. The first people are your first generation, the second people are your second generation, the third are your third generation, and it goes on and on. So these people are 3 people multiplied by 3 people multiplied by 3 people multiplied by 3 people to your 10th generation. So you can start small from the promotional package, and you are actually going to earn big when you keep informing people about it. And you can also upgrade. There are upgrade windows that are opened in quarterly. You either go to, it is not mandatory that you be the silver level. You can upgrade to the platinum VIP. You can also earn over 2,500 by using the 10 times 10 rule. Let's say you encouraged people to become partners. Okay, they saw how good this was, just like you did, and they partnered 10 people only within 6 months. Okay, and these 10 people also speak to people, and these 10 people also add 10 people to join, and the 10 people go on to ask people to join. So the activity goes on where your 10 people ask other 10 people to join, and their 10 people also ask other 10 people to join. So this can fetch you about $1,000 as you go on. If I have provided you with value, which I know I have, which I know is very easy for you to understand, hit on the like button of this video and leave a thumbs up for me. You can also click on the subscription button and hit on the notification bell as well, so that you get notified anytime I post valuable content. So if you do not understand anything, just go back and watch again. If it's still not clear, leave a message below. Tell me where exactly you do not understand, so that I get back to you and I explain this to you. My name is Obapa Ikadiachi, and I teach you how to use a company's products and get paid every week whilst using this product. I am going to come by your way some other time, but until I do that, it's bye bye for now. I'll see you at the top.